No, when we went to Unico, Concord is a company that actually looks for vendor partners. So we look for those people that will help us make more money. From the very first part, meeting with Bob, meeting with the Unico team, found out that that was our vendor partner. The biggest time that Unico came through for us was a hurricane down in Florida. We put together a task force, kind of a hurricane task force, and Unico was part of the team. It was very instrumental in helping us reduce our losses and actually get back up and operating sooner than I think we normally would have. Another aspect we use Unico for is the fact that we are in 9 states. Having Unico able to go out nationally and get our insurance coverage for that wide of exposure, they've done a great job. We've had other brokers come in and say, oh, we can save you insurance, we'll save you this money, we can do this for you. But every time, Unico has actually been the one of choice at the end of the process. We've saved plenty of money with having Unico as a broker. Work comp was a specific area. But based on their cooperation and hard work of our staff, we've saved close to $600,000 annually. For anybody that's looking for a vendor partner, I can tell you Unico is the company to go with. They will be there to help you in regards to saving money, to making sure you're properly insured, as well as to be your partner with any type of risk or problems that you may have in the insurance industry. Overall, it's been a great experience. Did we make the right decision when we switched to Unico? Definitely.